Welcome to Ngobo 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 10 Shop I channel. We are here at okay. Okay, all right.
So now,
okay, Mayan. This is Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Muripe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. Colin Ross 1, my brother, was it?
yeah, sharp mfethu kunjani?
Sharp, thanks, man.
Sharp mfethu mina ngifuna ukomenta endabeni yama scout.
Yeah.
Because no khona ukubona no. Ma player khona abasayina ngenyuke ebhaya but into engishaya manje kunamanye abantu mfethu khona umuntu khona ukubona ukhona ukhathela ibhola ngaphandle. So siyakuphi nge-South African football ibafana bafana. So ngicela abona ama scout e-South Africa mfethu mina sithola ama player are right because of khona ukubona umuntu ukhona akakhona ukutrap ibhola ukhona ukuphatha ukona akuna Dr. Khumalo basikhuluma ngabo Dr. Khumalo abasekho mfethu manje so kuba nzima for kubafana bafana nama coaches ngawuthola bafana so kuba difficult for yena ukuthi akhona ukuscout uyibana abantu bakhona ukuzosimela ku World Cup ku Africa Cup of Nations yeah of course mfethu so abona indaba ye-scout mfethu into engiyibona namhlanje ngaphela of that umuntu akhona ukutrap ibhola ubona umuntu khona ukuma amele umuntu ukuthi azamdrebule so kunala siyakhona so makhothi abascout la kumele bascout khona and then sikhona kuba mnandi because of i-Sundowns a big team in Africa si number 1 in Africa ne but if uzothola ukuthi umuntu udlala e-Sundowns but akakhona ukutrap ibhola akakhona ukuphasa ibhola la kumele ayise khona so siyakuphi khona nge-number 1 i-team la e-Africa so i-coach uKhadoso mina eshimfethu yazini hayi mina uKhadoso ayake akufo mina akasimnandi yazini kunokunye la sifeyila khona angizuza ukuthi uSteve Komphela yena uyibona kanjani because dala khona ku Downs ungivumela ayenze yonke inonzo sorry kusho njalo angifuni ukuya lapho but inhliziyo yami ibhlungu uBrian because into engiyibone ngapha angisimnandi
but then first leg lane and then you can't blame uKhadoso ukuthi uluze namhlanje. Don't you think ukuthi kumele umkhuthaze nama players so that second leg bakwazi ukuwina?
No ngizomkhuthaza but the way besidlala ngakhona namhlanje I mean siluzile khumbulo ukuthi siluzile last season siluzile so the way sidlala ngakhona manje ngicela ukuba nama doubt because of siluza ama points siya draw senzani uRuland bebakhona ukulala labalwela khona mfethu mara le season le nakhona eshimfethu so limali.
Don't you think it maybe is because of ama opponents enu asephakamise kakhulu manje?
Yeah nalo yes affect na but angicabanga ukuthi uSteve Komphela mina kahle ngifuna uSteve Komphela wazi ngathi ngathola ngamthola ngahlana naye phansi ngechief kanti skipper ngani dalula mfethu and the next thing umuntu akwazi ukutrap ibhola umuntu ukhathele ibhola ngaphandle ungakhathele ibhola ngaphandle uyi1 uhola malini ukhathele ibhola ngaphandle
maybe bazokuza bazofunda ukutrap ibhola
asombrief Bram ukutrap ibhola ama passing phela thina sinde umuntu isupply ku Sundowns umuntu ozosupplyela yabona inhliziyo yami bebhlungu ngosibuso zungu uye umuntu ubona uye umuntu bekuyiprovider akhona bona bakashaya into zakhona mfethu bona bekayikhipha because umuntu abheka igame lene umuntu ubheka phansi ama pass wabo ne amashoto umuntu akhona ukuyibamba
abayazi thatha abafaki bashaya
bona umuntu phela ibhola umayibamba uyishaya straight emntwini but if ukuthi ibhola uzokukhathela ngeshoto then bona angeke as create ama chance ukuthi sikhona ukuwina igame le khona nje uyiphethe mara uma sifika ukuthi create ama chance la kumele sithola ama killer pass kunento bathi killer pass wathi ungashaya killer pass ukhumula umntungo amntungo bekayibeka Bram Dr. Khumalo
my favorite yini ngathi uyikhosi wena
angi-Sundowns bara ngithanda ibhola ngithi
no
so sikhona ukuprovide bafana sikhona phela bafana ukusala kwegcineni noma singaya bafana ukusala kumele yenzeni kumele wine mfethu
yethu sonke
senzele i-coachara bafana umsebenzi wakho ube easy ama-coachara wabo Sundowns Chiefs Pirates
awungihlulile lapho uqedile lapho ngiyabonga futhi all the best but kwi-second round awukawari uzoyiwina i-second round
mara ngifuna ibholo
uzolithola next week.
mina ngithi ibholo ngiyidlalile mara
Yabona next week uzowina 2-1.
yabona umfukeng hayi weparete mara hayi bona ulithatha libeke mfethu
Akasekupere sevayi.
mara udlala ibholo lo udlala ibholo from estradeni
Yeah.
until e-TV uthola ngisandals mara bona ngikhona ukwenza isikhathi ngiyobheka umfukeng
Wena uyalithanda ibhola.
ngiyalithanda kakhulu ibhola mara umfukeng
Yeah.
abe kangijabulisi ufana nojabu puli
Yeah.
ya bari ngwana wathwenya ya
Okay, oba igama lakho mfethu.
uthemba
Themba.
mashaba from mamelodi
No, thanks fitness. Siyabonga kakhulu fitness.
mamelodi amanda park ngibuya amanda park
Amanda Park.
Yeah.
Awabulise Amanda Park.
ngifike late namhlanje
That's wena badlisile. Uwe. Ayi.